How to increase quantity of products on AliExpress. For example, I already have one thing on my cart right now, this one right here, but I cannot increase the quantity of this one since it's the only one left in stock. But let's say it's another product right like this one. I will go ahead and open this up right here. Okay, what you want to do is click on add to cart. This is the color gold, right? You can click on the plus icon to increase the quantity one by one, or you can click here and increase it by a large number. For example, I can type in 40, and if it does have 40 in stock, it will allow. This one will not allow because there was only one in stock anyways. As you can see, it's not letting me increase. I can go to also pick other colors. For example, this is black. I can add these to cart as well and go ahead and increase the quantity for those as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.